This is the exponential growth equation, and the first thing you always do is solve for K. So what was your initial amount? Your initial amount of bacteria was 2,000. E to the K, that's at 8 a.m. and at noon it's 3,100. And for 8 a.m. to noon, that's 4 hours, so time is 4. So divide both sides by 2,000. And then this is E to the 4K. Divide those zeros out. Take the ln of both sides. ln of 31 over 20 equals ln of E to the 4K. A natural logarithm, the base is E. And we have that property when these match, the whole thing simplifies to the exponent. So that's ln of 31 over 20 equal 4K. So ln of 31 divided by 20 divided by 4 equals K. So now my new formula is P of T equals P sub 0 E to the K, which is ln of 31 over 20 divided by 4 times T. Now let's answer the question. Okay, how many bacteria will there be at midnight? Well, the initial amount was 2,000. We're trying to figure out P of T, how many does it grow to? And that's E to the ln of 31 over 20 to the over 4. And how long is that time period? Well, it started out at 8 a.m. and it's going to midnight. So that would be 16 hours. So multiply that by 16. That's your time. So P of T equals 2,000 E to the ln of 31 over 20 divided by, multiply, these cancel, and you're left with a 4. So that's just a calculator problem. So I use my calculator, and they want me to round to how many? Nearest whole number. It's P of T equals 11,544.